welcome a round of applause. Music Maestro.
Music? Huh? May music!
Barbie talaga tayo ngayong gabi? Okay, let's round of applause. Palakpakan natin siya. Have a seat. Okay, thank you very much. Miss Larry Jane Vicente, how do you feel tonight?
May gabi sa inyo tanan. So, may gabi sa inyong tanan. Nagpasalamat ko kay naamo karon diri makigduyog o makiguban sa pag-celebrate sa akong 8th birthday. So, actually, di ko ba
Okay, thank you very much. A round of applause sa atong birthday celebrant. So this night is a night of celebration of legality of Miss Larry Jane Vicente. And of course, bago po nato magsimula ng ating program, tatawagin muna natin ang ating opening prayer. Okay, this is Reverend Murillo Orbita. Please welcome, of course, for our opening prayer. A round of applause, please.
Okay, magandang buta.
For our very elegant birthday celebrant of the night, diba? Like a Barbie talaga siya who are wearing pink gown. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Okay, let's proceed for the 18 roses. A round of applause first. Music Maestro. Okay, for the 18 roses. First is no other than Mr. Georgie Sinao. So first rose na muhatag sa atong birthday celebrant. Please, a round of applause.
Panik ko makada kong pining si mama.
Hello, Daddy!
Alipin daw, panik ko dito. Pato diri ka palikura. Sa pindo dira ah. Sa na Pinterest. Unlan. Pindo pa yung si mama. Ambog.
roses, Mr. D. Papayo, are you prepared? Mr. Martin, Papayo, for the 4 roses. A round of applause. Okay, thank you very much. Are you prepared for the 5th roses, Mr. Jaivan Caneta? Okay, are you still prepared? Please welcome Mr. Jaivan Caneta for the 5th roses. Applause. Okay, next. Prepare Mr. Ryan here.
Mauning main dress. Ha? Kine? Oh. Ito man ako.
And the 6th roses given by Ryan Hill. Please a round of applause. Okay, please prepare Mr. Jared Bustamante. Okay, Mr. Jared Bustamante is the 7th given roses for our birthday celebrant. Please welcome a round of applause, please.
Gunit ko.
Okay, yes, prepare for our 8th roses, Mr. Rickster Bigoya. Okay, a round of applause. Rickster Bigoya for our 8 roses. A round of applause, please. Wala mga kamay dyan. Wow, ang sweet naman ang ating baby girl ngayong gabi. Let's prepare for our 9th roses. Mr. Gerard Canalo. Roses, Mr. Gerard Canalo. So sweet. Nakilig silang patuloy.
Dito ka masakit pag-cream na.
Okay, please prepare for our 10th roses, Mr. John Bautista. Let's welcome for our 10th roses, Mr. John Benson Bautista. A round of applause. Thank you very much. Okay, prepare for Jace Bautista for our 11th roses. Okay, please welcome to our 11th roses, Mr. Jake Bustamante. Mr. Jake Bustamante. Wala na kayo mga kamay dyan. Okay, thank you very much. Mr. Bautista. Wow, looks gorgeous. Okay, prepare for our 12 roses with a Christian. The 2-1, right? Okay, please welcome the 12 roses given by Christian Clarin Talupan. A round of applause, please. Mr. Christian Clarin Talupan, you are 12 roses.
ako may nalista dito. Gani. Uy, buti mo magdali dito. Ito ka. Saban yung kapami yung lago.
For more information, alam sa atang 18 candles, the way maghatag nila sa candles, which is maghatag sila ang message sa atang birthday celebrant this night. Ano ba? Maghatangan dyan na itong fire ang atang birthday celebrant. Di lang ang positive, negative, of course, for their future. Kaya kabalo naman, tanalo na siya belong sa adulthood, di ba? Di naman siya pa childhood lang. Which is 18 na siya, so na siya yung right sa young self. So, let's proceed to the first